Tracing its roots back to the early 1900s, Heat Transfer Products Group and its brands Russell, Witt, Kramer, and Cold Zone have built a reputation for quality and efficiency in commercial refrigeration. And today, we're proud of our bold commitments for 2025 to dramatically reduce our impact on the environment. We are committed to addressing the labor shortage and increasing training needs facing our industry. And we see a future with zero waste in the use and manufacturing of HTPG products. That's why we are designing for zero waste. We are reimagining our products to dramatically reduce their greenhouse gas footprint, refining our processes to drastically reduce our carbon footprint and landfill waste, all while training plumbers, contractors, and key influencers on how to install, monitor, and maintain sustainable products to perform as efficiently as possible. From the very beginning, we've integrated sustainable thinking into everything we do. And as a member of a global family of brands, we will deliver greater performance while contributing to something greater than ourselves. Creating solutions that truly make a difference, delivering a greater degree of good.